Welcome to my channel. How to update Arlo firmware. Firstly, open the Arlo app on your mobile. Make sure you are logged into the Arlo account on your device. After that, go to Settings of Arlo app. After that, select My Devices. Now, you need to choose your camera that you wish to update. Select your camera and click Device Info. Thereafter, tap Firmware and then select Update. Follow the in-app instructions to finalize the Arlo update. Finally, the Arlo firmware update process will be completed and your camera will be updated to the most recent version. Thanks for watching.